Okay, all of you were told yesterday to write a sort of a some kind of a note. What all has been said about the interview so far? Put your hands up in participants list. Participants. Okay, how many of you you all have got your list ready with you? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, before we start question interview, let's review whatever has happened earlier so far. Uh, who should I ask first? Okay. Any volunteers who want to give out the first all the points? Is Varsha the volunteer?
So can I? Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, Varsha. Good. Shabash. So give out all the points one by one, and all of you are listening to her. And if you have a comment on what she is saying, you must do that. Okay, Varsha, start off.
Okay. So good evening, all of you. The point which I was noted down is the first thing is when interviewing officer is asked about yourself, do not start with myself. We have to start with our introduction that I am Varsha Yadav. I am from Bhilai, and like that you have to mention all these things. Do not use the myself word. It is not the appropriate word to introduce yourself. The first point which I noted down. And also when you are introducing yourself, do not start sharing the facts or the data about your place, like the population or the literacy rate. These things which, if you know, that is well and good, but if interviewing officer asks you, then also mention these points. In the introduction part, only you have to show or only you have to told about yourself, who you are, what are you, about your education, strength, and the hobbies. You have to mention all these things about yourself. Okay, the first thing. The second thing, whenever interview officer is grilling about your friends, teachers, or parents, then you have to show that you are a very respectable person. You respected all the three persons, and responsible on all these things. Do not see, we all sometimes we all get a fight or dispute between our siblings or the parents, but that doesn't mean that we are not respecting our parents. So do not mention anything which shows that you are not respecting your parents. Okay, because in somewhere I read that in the armed forces, if a person who doesn't pay respect, or the who doesn't pay respect and love towards his belonging ones or loved ones, he can't serve his nation. He can't serve his or her nation with his whole heart. So you have to show all these things. The second thing which I noted down, do not told anything which is extra, like whatever interviewing officer is asking you, told or share that much information which is asked by the interviewing officer, because it also shows your grasping power, listening power. If you're sharing more knowledge, that means your grasping power is not more. You heard that question, but you didn't listen that question carefully. So always mention whatever required. Do not share extra things, because you if you share more things, then you did more mistakes, as the interview as we seen in the previous interview, right? And the fourth thing is, uh, yeah, put a natural smile on your face. This boosts your confidence, and also it decrease your fear or peer pressure. So these things also we have to do. And yes, do not share or create any negative things or the negative character which is in
ले
you,
और मैं
that
बताऊंगा
we
कैसे
are
करना
all
है.
facing the
Bye
stress
bye.
situation, we all get panic. But if interviewing officer is not asking you, do not share these things. If he will ask you, then also share things. Do not share these things.
Okay,
And
okay, Varsha. Enough. Good. Very good. Very good. Now
yeah.
rest of the things. Now let's have KV Michael coming and giving us.
Okay, okay, sir.
KV.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, KV. KV Michael.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Now rest of the points you give out.
Okay, sir. My takeaways are that in the interview, the first thing we do The first thing we do is that we take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, and we enter the room by taking the interviewing officer's permission. And once we enter, if uh, we do not sit down until unless he gave us permission, and once he allow us to sit down, we say thank you and we sit down, and we sit in a straight, proper manner, well dressed, and with a natural smile on our face. And until unless he speaks to us, we sit there quietly, and we're just being receptive to. We're just being ready to be receptive to his question. And once he tell us about ourselves. Firstly, we go with ourselves. Secondly, we talk
Okay,
about our family.
KV, have you written it down or just speaking like that? You've not
Uh,
written it
s-
down, isn't it? You've
Sir,
not
I've
written
written out
down.
some.
Okay,
I've
okay,
written out some few points,
okay,
sir.
okay, enough. Nilakshi,
Good evening, sir. Okay, I'll
yes,
continue.
but don't
Good
repeat,
evening.
don't
Sorry.
repeat the points. Whatever's already been
Sure,
spoken
sir.
is already spoken. Yeah.
Sure. Okay. Good evening, friends. So the few points that are left out is that you have to, taking deep breath, then coming in, and have we need to have a proper sitting posture. We need to have a cheerful face and attitude. The second thing was the interviewer might be looking at you. He might not start the interview as soon. So we just need to sit quiet and we need to look at his face. Third thing is we need to follow British English, rightly said by Varsha, that we shouldn't say like myself Nilakshi Lo, but follow proper British English. Then there was one important point which was about psychology. So said that if we are looking at the left side, upper side, it means that we are saying the truth. If we look at the left sideways, then it means that we are recollecting an audio, which is apparently a truth. But if we look at the right side of our eye, it means that we are saying a lie and which we should avoid saying it. And
Okay,
he,
okay,
sir, also mentioned.
Nilakshi,
Yes, sir.
I'll explain this aspect again for all of you. Do not,
Yes, sir.
I mean, what you said is correct. I'm not saying it's wrong.
Hmm.
But on 1 or 2 days later, I'll explain these things once again so that you can use
Hmm.
this properly. Okay, good, Shavash. Well done. Anchal,
Good evening, sir. This is my very second section, sir.
yeah,
So,
tell me the points we talked about yesterday.
sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall. I haven't written yet. I'll
So you
write from
people,
today only. I'm making copies from today only.
you people are not serious about SSB interview. How will you pass? Okay, good. All of you, you've spoken well, and those who have not spoken, please wake up and make sure you work hard. That means you are not taking it seriously. Okay, where is Ria? Ria Singhal? Yesterday's interview. Ria.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ria. Now it's your interview again for next 10 minutes. Okay, Ria. I am the interviewing officer, and you're sitting in front of me, right? Give me your video.
Yes, sir.
Start your video.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Ria. Yesterday yes, it was your interview yesterday. So whatever we discussed yesterday, gave the points. Okay. Now I'm asking you again. Tell me something about yourself. Yeah.
Good evening, sir. My name is Riya Singhal. I am from Agra, Uttar Pradesh. I am a very friendly person. My family consists of 4 people. I am from middle class family. My father is a businessman. My mother is a homemaker, and I have a younger brother. He is pursuing his graduation. About my schooling, I've done my schooling from St. Clair's, my graduation from Dialberg, and after that, I am a bachelor in commerce, and after that, I pursue my teaching. Talking about my hobbies, I love to cook and dance. Cooking is my priority. I'm a very friendly person. I have a lot of friends, and few of them are my best friends. I'm creative and innovative in nature. I have I made my own. I make things with my own ideas rather than copying from somewhere else on the internet. That's it, sir.
Okay, Ria. Suppose you were going for a movie, and some goons come and chedo you. What will you do?
Sir, can you repeat? Actually, today's my Wi-Fi is not working properly.
Okay, I said if you're going for a movie with your friends and somebody comes and
Yes, sir.
passes some remarks on you, how will you react?
Sir, actually, in reality, I generally ignore because I do not want to initiate fight with anybody. But if that person is doing it again and again, then surely I'll counter attack, and I'll ask him that why are you doing this, and will tell him not to do it again.
Okay, then he still does it.
Sir, I'll complain. I'll obviously first, sir, I'll threaten him that don't do it again. I'll tell my brother and also my father about it. So
That's all.
he won't do it. Yes, sir.
So you should be prepared for such questions. Okay, now tell me for the information. There are 33 boys over here, 33 boys and girls, okay, attending this class. So tell everybody, this guy who had passed some remarks on you, what did he tell you that you got annoyed? उसने आपको छेड़ा था क्या 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 बोल के छेड़ा था?
Sir, I'm not getting this question, sir.
यार तुमको छेड़ रहा था ना बंदा सड़क पे चलते. He must have said something.
Yes,
ना?
sir.
वो क्या क्या बोला था उसने?
Sir, generally boys they say, oh अच्छी लग रही हो सर, इस टाइप के they pass the comments and बात कर लो ऐसे करके सर.
But you shouldn't have taken so much of time, okay? Again, you are making the same mistake. That is what I wanted to check today. Okay, I know those may be very embarrassing questions, but questions are not embarrassing to embarrass you. Questions are to check your reaction. Understanding? All of you are clear about it, boys and girls. It can happen with a boy also. लड़के को भी तो लड़की छेड़ सकती है कि नहीं? Yeah, Kush, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, some girl can also छेड़ो you, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You'll ask her ना, तुम्हारे घर में भाई बाप नहीं है क्या? बोलोगे ना उसको? हैं?
I'll take it in a sportive manner and crack a joke.
भाई you'll tell her ना, तुम्हारे घर में भाई बाप नहीं है क्या कोई क्या? भाई और बाप नहीं है क्या तुम्हारे घर में? जैसे बोला तुम्हारे घर में माँ बहन नहीं है. So be prepared for all such things, okay? You may. I'm not making a. By the way, when I'm doing all this, I'm not joking with you. No, of course, it is making you guys. It is making a little lighter for you. But I'm not doing. That's not my purpose. I mean, in a class to make you lighter, that is not my purpose. My purpose is to tell you that these are the kinds of questions, embarrassing questions, pointed questions, which will be asked to you, and you must have answers for this. Yeah, Kush, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I've called out your name. Interview for Kush. Now, what will you do hereafter? Tell everybody.
Yes, sir. I'll get up outside the interviewer's room. I'll take a 6-4-6 deep breath, and
what is that 6-4-6? What is 6-4-6 deep breath? Tell them.
Sir, I'll count from 1 to 6. Then take a deep breath for 4. I'll count 1 to 4. Then again I'll calm down and I'll take a normal breath for 6 counts again. So that makes it a 6-4-6 deep breath.
6-4-6 deep breath. You start breathing in, and when you're breathing in, you're also counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means for 6 seconds or 8-10 seconds, you keep breathing in. It's a deep breath. Then you hold that breath for 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is 6-4-6. Yeah, 6-4-6 is that. Okay, is that clear?
Perfect.
Clear to everybody? Put your hands up, because I'll be asking this question somewhere else. All of you who understood, put your hands up. Those who are the ones who have not understood, ask me a question. Okay, that means everybody's understood. Good. Now go ahead. What is the next step? This you done outside the door of interviewing officer after your name was called in. Now next one.
Sir, I'll knock gently on the door and say, "Sir, may I come in?"
Good. Then
I'll go and stand next to the chair and seek for his permission to be seated. After he says, "Coach, sit down," I'll just take the seat.
Okay. Then
Thereafter, I would smile at him gently.
okay.
Yes, sir.
You say good morning, sir. Good evening, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Okay. Now that you said good evening and you smiled at me, now I'm asking you the same question. So, okay, Kush, tell us something about yourself.
Okay. Sir, I'm Kush Pranam. I come from the garden city of Bangalore. So my early education and my schooling happened at Bangalore itself. I studied in Delhi Public School for 10 years from first grade to 10th grade before passing out with a percentage of 95. I took up science stream in my 11th and 12th, and I moved on to Mysuru for my engineering. I'm currently pursuing my BE Mechanical Engineering from the National Institute of Engineering, Mysore. Some of my hobbies include I'm a YouTube content creator. I'm a verified content creator on YouTube. I like to listen to music. I like to travel to various places and explore new things. I'm an informative person. I like to share knowledge with people, and I'm talkative as well. Some of my other interests include I'm a Bharat Scouts and Guide. I'm into scouting basically. So I've been awarded by the governor of Karnataka, and that is where I learned the passion for trekking. So I go for treks usually in the morning with friends, but due to the pandemic, I've not been able to do so. A little about the sports I've played. I am the captain of my university team for football. So I lead my university team, and we have won 2 trophies this year, which I'm really proud of. Apart from that, I play cricket, badminton. I like to. I've also done certain co-curricular activities, such as I've been a part of the IC engine racing team of my college, which is Force Ikshwaku, and I've been a part of the aerobatics club as well. To talk about my family, I'm supported by my parents and my twin brother, whose name is Love. He's pursuing. He's finished his BCom and is pursuing his chartered accountancy. My father was a serviceman who was a deputy fabric manager in a textile firm. My mother is a homemaker, and she's also a verified yoga instructor. And to talk about my friends, I have a cheerful set of energetic friends who always motivate me and inspire me in anything which I take up or anything which I want to do. They really get along with me and try to help me in every way possible. A little about my teachers. I respect and consider my teachers to be my second parents. So they really praise me a lot, and they acknowledge me for everything which I do. Yes, sir, that is pretty much about me.
Okay, Kush, you said that you like traveling. So, where all have you traveled around?
So I've been to various places. I've been to Mumbai. I've been recently before the lockdown. I've been to Jaipur. I've been to New Delhi, sir. I've been to Shimla. I've been to Manali. Then I've been to Darjeeling, sir. I've been to Wayanad, and I've been to Chikmagalur. I've been to Munnar in Karnataka, which is a famous place for coffee. And I've been to Chennai for writing my Comet K exams. Yes, so that covers most of India. And I've been to
Cool, cool.
as well. Yes, sir.
You covered a lot of places. Do you go there for some business purposes or from leisure? And how exactly you organize your travels to different places?
Sir, it's not for business purposes. So it's just a family vacation. So me, my brother, and my parents, we generally travel along. So we generally book the hotels beforehand itself and take care of the.
Okay, Kush.
Yes.
When did you go to Manali last?
Sir, it was 2 years back in 2018, sir.
And where were you staying in Manali?
Sir, we have a membership of Royal Karma Resort. So we get 100 points every year. So they gave us 2 rooms. So that was where I stayed, sir, at the Royal Resort, the Royal Karma Resort.
Okay, what was the most famous thing in Manali?
Sir, the skiing, sir. I would like to talk about the skiing. And there is something known as Tiger Hill also, which is famous for the sunshine. But most probably I will be talking about the skiing. I went there let's say around 11
Kush, I'm asking you Manali, not Darjeeling. You were mixing it up. Or you're telling me a lie?
No, sir.
I asked you about Manali. There's no skiing in Manali. Tiger Hill is Darjeeling. for sunset early morning?
Sir, actually, we have done skiing in Manali, sir. Like a little
Where?
near Shimla, sir.
Shimla is Kufri. Manali is way off. I'm talking Manali. Now you'd come to Shimla. My dear sir, ऐसे पकड़े जाओगे. Otherwise, you are a fit candidate to get selected. You keep your mind stable. I'm asking question of Manali. First, the Tiger Hill is in Darjeeling. Where is the Tiger Hill, Manali? Tell me. What are the adventure sports in Manali?
So river rafting and skiing. River rafting, so basically, not skiing.
Where is the river rafting done in Manali? Are you
Sir,
sure? I mean, now, I'm asking you, let's be open. Have you gone there or you just borrowing a fast one?
Yes, sir, I've really been there, sir.
मेरी बात सुनो यार. I know these places. I've been to all over the India many times. ये भी मेरी भी hobby है. Manali,
Yes,
which
sir.
is the place in Manali famous for adventure sports? Can you do parasailing in Manali? Can you do zorbing in Manali? River rafting Manali में कहीं? Okay, which is the river in Manali? Okay, all of you guys, are you listening to our conversation? Please be careful. I mean, there's a message I'm trying to bring out for all of you. Yeah, Manali में कौन सा river है?
Sir, I'm not sure about the river, sir. I did not do river rafting.
So then how do you, okay, you've not done, okay, what is so special otherwise about that? There is some river next to Manali or not? Tell me this.
Yes, sir, there is a river next to Manali because on the way...
And are you a vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
Sir, I'm a vegetarian, sir.
Okay, then you won't know trout fish. No, there's no point asking this question to you. You won't know this. Now, which is the place where you have adventure sports, parasailing, zorbing, and a whole lot of things over there?
Sir, I would Darjeeling especially, sir.
I'm asking Manali. Yeah. Now, Darjeeling, I'll come after this.
So Manali, we generally shop.
Okay, shopped, all right. Okay, what else except for shopping? And what are the people over there who are floating around there? What is their nationality? Okay, Gaurav, just a minute, Gaurav, come on. You're saying something. Gaurav.
Yes, sir. Jai Hind, sir.
Where is skiing in Manali?
Sir, as far as I know, skiing is in Manali. My brother have been there and...
Where? Where? I'm not
sir,
aware.
Just a second.
Which is the highest pass in Manali? Manali famous for? There's a mountain pass?
Sir, Solang Valley.
Rohtang, Kush.
Sir,
Rohtang,
Solang Valley has skiing.
Yes, Solang Valley has skiing. I don't know. Solang Valley is the place which is adventure sports. That is the question I was asking for Kush. I've done parasailing over there, so I'm not sure if skiing is there. So Kush, are you sure you've done skiing in Solang Valley?
Yes,
Solang is the place.
Perfect,
Gaurav has given us.
Yes,
okay,
yes,
so, no, like I did not know. So you may well have an interviewing officer.
That can happen.
Okay, this can happen. The interviewing officer doesn't know. So he tells you that you are telling a lie. So don't buckle there, okay? That is the second point I want to tell you.
Yes, sir.
If you're sure that you've done skiing, you can tell him, sir, I don't remember now where exactly, but then I have done it. And be morally very straight that yes, you've taken a stand, you're not telling a lie, means ye hai. Ye nahi ki uski haan mein haan hi milani hai. But that is only if you are dead sure. Okay? Like if you've done skiing in Solang Valley, now they're like this guy, Chirag, Gaurav is saying, but I'm not sure because I have a feeling. Like you said you immediately shifted to Shimla. Shimla mein Kufri, there's about 20 kilometers Shimla. Kufri is a place where skiing is done, but that too these days is difficult because of changing temperatures. Okay, river rafting, you have to go down the Shimla, behind Shimla. It's called Tapta Pani in Satluj River, and the river which is coming next to Manali is Beas. So you should know all this way to been to those places. Now you're talking about the Tiger Hill. Tiger Hill is in Darjeeling, Kala Pahad ke upar. Next to Kala Pahad ke upar Darjeeling hai. So boys and girls, you all listening? These are the kind of questions you will be asked. Okay, if you said I've been to somewhere. Okay, you've been to Wayanad. What is Wayanad famous for? That is next to your home.
Sir, Wayanad is famous for its plantations, particularly coffee, as I mentioned.
Yeah, good. So that is the correct answer. Okay, tell me, you've been part of the guides, scouts. Were you
Yes,
an
sir.
appointment? Were you an appointment?
No,
Or you were
sir.
just a,
No, sir. It wasn't an appointment. It was in my school itself as a co-curricular activity.
no, but there has to be some kind of a captain or the vice captain. Were you something of that sort?
No,
Okay,
sir.
what
No,
were
sir.
what were the activities you carried out as guides?
Sir, as a scout, we had adventure camps, basically training camps before any testing was to be done. So they would take us to Dodbalapur, which is the headquarters of Bharat Scouts and Guides. So there
Okay.
they would make us, they would give us materials and tell us to make tents. Thereafter, there would be a lot of activity.
Okay. Tell me what are the guiding principles? What are the aims of this guides and scouts?
Sir, the promise is that a scout should be loyal. A scout should be a brother to every other citizen. A scout shall respect the national flag and its integrity.
Okay. You should also know the motto of scouts. Okay. Now you tell me. Yeah, you were a university football captain.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you tell me who? Tell me who's the Pele?
Yes, sir. He was a Brazilian
he?
footballer. Sir, he was a Brazilian footballer who was known for his footballing skills, and he was really famous during the World Cup, sir. And he represented Brazil.
And where is he these days?
Sir?
Where is he these days? Is he still in Brazil or is gone to America?
Sir, I'm not really sure on that because I don't follow him. I follow Messi, sir. I'm a Messi fan.
Okay.
And I follow Messi very closely.
Okay, why do you follow Messi and why not Ronaldo? Okay, Pele is dead, by the way. That's why I asked. Pele is no more. Okay. No, so you're a Messi fan, Lionel Messi. What?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Vishwesh? You said something?
So Pele is alive, sir.
No, I think he's dead. Yeah, he died last year. Check up. Okay, you check and let us know from the Google. Okay, Kush. Okay, tell me, why do you follow Messi? Why not Ronaldo? What is the difference between the two?
Looking forward to Messi's background. He was having a problem due to his stunted growth, and still he lost his family, sir. And he was a lot of financial burden, which had to curb his performance. He never gave up. So I learned perseverance from him. He was a perseverer candidate who would never give up. He started with a small club called Barcelona, and he became famous over there. And he's still committed. So what I learned from him is, even after becoming famous, he never moved on to any other club, unlike Ronaldo. He was dedicated and committed to his club, which rose him into a star. And that is why I like Messi more than Ronaldo, sir.
Okay, good, sir. Very good. So now only point I am trying to tell you is that when I asked you about the places you visited, you should have fair amount of knowledge about that. Okay. Unfortunately, you asked me, you told me something of which I am expert myself. So it will be very difficult to deceive a person. But this kind of a situation will come. Like you say something to a guy and he may feel that yaar मैं तो expert हूँ, ये मेरे को कहाँ से सिखाने आ गया. So don't give that kind of an impression. Okay. Otherwise, you've done well. You are properly dressed. I'm happy that you do that. And it is for others also. When you come for the class, please be properly dressed. Ria, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Ria, yeah. So this point is for everybody. You should be properly dressed whenever you step out of the house or you come on a Zoom. So all these things you should take care of. Okay. Now, one more question I'll ask you. I think we got four odd minutes left with us. Okay. Tell me, who's your best friend?
So my best friend is Ritvik. So he is based 3 kilometers from my house, sir. He has been my friend since 7th standard. So he's from Kolkata. He moved on to Bangalore for his schooling. So he joined Delhi Public School and he was new to his class. He did not have anyone to talk to. So I was the class monitor in my 7th standard. So I would take care of everybody equally. So I would make him feel like his home and talk to him and help him out in every other thing.
Wonderful answer. Okay. Well, interviewing officer wonderful nahi bolega, but I'm telling you all, this is how you answer. Okay. Now tell me, why do you like him so much? Just because he was a loner?
No, sir. So he makes me feel at ease. He brings a amount of appreciation in everything which I do. And he also motivates me in my work, which is
यानी कि वो तुमको मस्का लगाता है इसलिए तुमको अच्छा लगता है?
No, sir. I help him
Right.
equally as well. So it's like a bonding wherein we keep on pushing each other in order to achieve greater heights. So we got
Okay.
separated in our graduation, but
So
still
yeah, good. You are in a co-ed school?
no, sir. Yeah, I was in a co-ed school, and
Then
then I moved to Mysore for my undergrad, which is a co-ed college as well.
So who's your girlfriend there?
So I do not have any girlfriends. I have girls who are friends. So
ये रटा हुआ क्वेश्चन का आंसर था.
no, sir. I'm being frank and honest.
Why you don't have a girlfriend? You don't like somebody? You know,
No, sir.
there's no beauty in your class, you mean to say?
Yeah, exactly, sir. Well said. Because I've taken up mechanical engineering, and we have 2 girls out of 70. So
So they're not beautiful. They're not beautiful enough to be your friends.
No, sir. I do not have any intention of making them as my girlfriends or something like that. But I interact with them. I help them out in everything. I seek their help. So they are friendly people. And
but why can't they be your girlfriends, yeah? Girlfriend or friend as a girl as a friend में फर्क क्या होता है?
sir,
What is the difference between the two?
yes,
What is that extra that you do with your girlfriend and not with a girl who's a friend?
so you would want to share each and everything with your girlfriend, which you would not feel comfortable to do it with a friend who is a girl. Maybe I'm
Like-
talking about the emotional aspects.
Like
So the
emotional things.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me tell you. Okay, that girl, suppose she's a girlfriend. What is that emotional aspect you like to share with her? Now we're assuming that she's a girlfriend.
Yes, sir. So let's say that when I come back after a football match, so there was this tournament held at SJC University in Mysore. So there was a very critical situation, sir, wherein there was a penalty, and I took up the responsibility of taking the penalty, sir. And it was a dual situation. I missed the penalty, and I took up the responsibility of the team. So I was not feeling good on myself, but then I made sure I make a good comeback. I scored the winning goal in the next tournament, the next match itself, and I made a strong comeback. So the emotional part of the duration between those two matches, wherein I was feeling a little low, maybe if I could share it with her, she would pacify me and put me at ease.
So, but that normal girl who's not your girlfriend, who's just a friend who's a girl, she can also do it.
So she would not have so much dedication, or she would not do it only for me, sir. My girlfriend would do it only for me specifically.
Okay, only for you, means you're possessive. Okay, good. Shabash, well done, and good interview. I mean, well preparation and done properly. So all of you are listening? Yeah?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Again, tomorrow I'm going to speak to you again, and you will get questions like this. So be prepared for it, okay? And especially your body language. And you will practice in front of the mirror. Okay, we almost last 30 seconds of the session. Log on again, and I'll see you after about 5 minutes, because I don't have the broadband. Tata Sky is useless broadband. I've changed it to Airtel. So the guy is working. So he'll give me 5 minutes to do that, and I'll come back. So well done, Kush, Shabash, and things will further improve your stuff, and we'll make sure that you. When is your interview?
The 14th of August.
Okay, now I'm asking you a couple of questions. Most of you tell me that you do not have a landline broadband, so that's why you can't come on the things. But see, I've been working without landline broadband for last 3 days. So now this guy will be doing a further drills. So I'll have to stop this session as far as I'm concerned. But you all carry on. Varun, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Varun, मेरा वो अभी drill करेगा तो I'll have to take 10 minutes off. So meanwhile, आप इनका कोई session ले लो बच्चों का, and whatever Kush has done, record this interview and give it to everybody for learning. Okay.
So, sir, now Kush interviews is over, or you will take it after 10 minutes again?
No, Kush, I think is over. I'll take somebody else now. Aim is that everybody should be practiced so that they get some idea as to how to speak. Okay.
Right, sir.
And
No
all those people, Kush, Riya, and yesterday then we had Mohit. All these people जिनका interview हो चुका है, you all be ready to do it again. And next time when you do it, whatever mistakes you made last time, I'll remember. I've written that down. You should not do those mistakes. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir. So I want to compliment everybody on one thing, that as we are moving ahead on interviews, things are getting better day by day, right? Yesterday, the presentation of Ria was good. Today, Push was also good, but we need to do the best. Only good can't do, right? So analyze your performance, and whatever has been, lagged in it, fulfill that, and do your best at the interviews in SSB, right? So now the mic is open for all, anybody and everybody. If you want to ask any question to Push about this interview or any other question, you are open to ask.
Sir, I'm Ria. Sir,
Yeah.
I want to know from each and everyone here about the flaws or the mistakes I did yesterday, because I couldn't analyze my video as it is not available at this moment.
Okay,
So
your
from
video
their point
will
of view, what all? Yes,
your
sir.
video will come tomorrow, and let's do one thing. Let's open up our camera, everybody, so that we can see each and everyone. Let's open our camera. Yeah. I can't open mine because of some technical flaws, but no worries. Yeah. So now Ria is asking one thing, and I think that question should be open for all. Now, everybody who is observing this interview, see, the role of observer is a big role. You will tell flaws in this interview of Kush and yesterday of Ria and Mohit Yadav also, that what you found lacking in it and what they should do to make it better. Of course, Brigadier Sir will also tell us, but what you have observed, please tell us your observation. So, should I tell you to? Should I point out someone to tell, or you will speak by yourself? Okay, Devinder, you tell me. What have you observed with the two interviews of Ria and Kush, and the third of Mohit Yadav? I think Devinder has been freezed now. Okay, so let's go to Gaurav. Gaurav, you tell. Gaurav, unmute. You are mute, Gaurav.
Hello, sorry, sir. So what I find is all answer can be in 2 lines, and hardly three lines, not more than that is needed. If we tell more than that, we are exposing ourselves, and that can give a negative feedback.
Okay, so Gaurav thinks that answers should be short and crisp, and short and crisp answers are better than what you have answered. Okay, Vishwesh, what is your observation? Unmute yourself and tell.
Sir, talking about yesterday's interview, what I found that she was very good while answering the general questions, like talking about herself and her dreams and all.
Vishwesh, your audio is not that clear. Kindly take up the mic and tell. Yeah.
Sir, while giving the answers yesterday, she was confident, but when it came to SRT, she was not confident and she gave up, I think, twice or thrice while answering the SRTs. So she need to work on the unexpected questions, which may be too friendly or too complicated, which are trying to, the assessor might try to check your personality through that. So she needs to be careful in that. And talking about today's interview, I think it was excellent, sir.
Okay. So Ria, SRT, you have to work on SRT and unexpected questions as per Vishwesh observation. Pooja, what is your takeaways? What is your observation?
Sir, I think both of them should smile a little so that they look lively and comfortable.
Yes, that's a very good point and valid point. Your nervousness should not be, seen anywhere. and that's why you have to smile a little, not that much that it's your marriage or something. Smile a little. Yeah. Okay. Now Harshit Dureja, what's your takeaways?
I'm really sorry, sir. I joined just now over here in this class. So,
Okay, no problem, no problem. Devinder, now your internet seems to be working well. What's your observation and what's your takeaways from today's and yesterday's interview?
So I've noted down both of the interviews and my takeaways. Talking about Ria, the one thing that I see that no one has mentioned is whenever there was a hard question, Ria seemed perplexed or she shown certain emotions. So my takeaway, most important takeaway is that she should be calm and composed and she don't have to be perplexed or on any hard question.
Ria is
Yeah,
not
that's
perplexed.
it.
Ria is not perplexed. Don't give her the your own what do you call judgments. Ria is doing very well. Only thing is she has to smoothen her edges. Is that
No,
clear
sir.
to
I
you?
was talking about the one incident where she seemed perplexed, or
Yeah,
she
that yeah
smiled, or
yeah
that one
Ria.
one incident.
Actually, sir pointed out to be
Okay, Ria, you
Brigadier sir
understand now.
Okay,
pointed out.
Ria,
I
you
must have
understand
used
Yes,
the
sir.
wrong word.
what everybody is telling you? You have
Yes,
a habit
sir.
of putting your head down and taking your back rearwards, and ऐसे तो लड़कियां शर्माने की वाली बात करती हैं. आर्मी ऑफिसर, एयरफोर्स ऑफिसर्स वो शर्माते नहीं हैं. They stand erect, सावधान में. No matter the general or anybody, president of India standing, करके smartly you salute. Okay, so that habit of
Okay,
yours
sir.
you have to cut it. Okay, that वो वैसे
Yes,
भी निकल
sir.
जाएगी अकेडमी में जब ड्रिल स्क्वायर करने जाओगे ना ड्रिल में. So if you don't pass your drill wala test, you will not get the liberty to go out in Chennai on Sundays. Picture देखने जाना है या McDonald's में जाना है वो permitted नहीं होएगा. So automatically you will pass. वो ठीक हो जाएगा. Don't worry.
Okay,
But
sir.
don't show to the interviewing officer when he asks you something. Like when you asked you I asked you embarrassing questions. I asked even this guy Kush embarrassing questions. Okay, so you all be ready for all this. वो बड़ा लाइटर वेन में हंस के प्यार से पूछेगा, but that will be very embarrassing from your standard. So you should not buckle there. Okay, it's okay when your father is asking, your friend is asking, your uncle is asking, auntie is asking, वो ठीक है, वहां पे जो करना है करो. But in front of the interviewing officer, your facade should be absolutely calm and quiet and natural. Okay, like whatever I'm telling you, do this, do that. अब इसको तुम I'm making you note down, I'm making you speak. That does not mean that you start following it in a very what do you call stiff manner in 100%. उसको ये impression नहीं लगना चाहिए कि I have taught you this. Remember, all of you, whatever I tell you, especially the interviewing part, when the guy is watching you, you should not follow me so strictly and unnaturally that it looks कि यार ये सिखाया हुआ है इसको. That thing should look to you very natural way. उसके लिए you have to do practice in front of the mirrors. Like now that you know that question I'm asking you, so ask the same question to yourself and stand in front of the mirror and see क्या reaction आती है. 100% reaction आएगी. Okay, same question, like you have the recordings with you. You note down those questions. Like Ria, you can say उसने लड़के ने मुझे छेड़ा था, तो क्या बोल के छेड़ा था. Okay, the girl was, he said, his girlfriend, if she is emotionally involved with you. I asked what was that emotion. He said कि मेरे football में मैंने penalty miss हो गई. I was in a bad shape. So before I repeated it again, the next one, and was successful, she would have emotionally helped me. Wonderful answer. And that is what exactly is required. Okay. So like Ria हो गया, फिर ऐसे आपको जो question पूछ रहा हूँ. So you should all remember these questions, stand under the mirror, क्योंकि यार मेरे को दोबारा पूछा तो मेरे को क्या reaction आ रही है. You speak it out and then see what is your reaction. Okay. So keep practicing. It should be as natural as possible. Moment you are standing in front of the mirror, you will automatically come to know what is natural and what is not natural. So that is a very important point you should all bear in mind. Any questions anybody wants to ask me on this?
Sir, a question from me. Sir.
Yeah, no, okay. First, Pooja hasn't spoken the whole day today. In fact, she didn't speak yesterday also. जो बच्चे बोलते नहीं है ना वो SSB में पास नहीं हो सकते. बोलना जरूरी है. गप मारो, जोक मारो, गाली दो यार, यू नो, अंग्रेजी में गाली दो, वो गाली गाली नहीं लगती, हिंदी वाली गाली ज्यादा हिट करती है, isn't it, पूजा?
Yes sir.
हिंदी वाली गाली गंदी लगती है, अंग्रेजी वाली गाली अच्छी लगती है, तो अंग्रेजी में दिए, है ना? So do something, open your minds out. Moment you speak, only then will you start working your mind. बोलना कैसे है? So speaking only once your mind is working, तभी कुछ बोलोगे ना. तो आप लोगों को बचपन में बोला, पहले घर में मम्मी ने बोला चुप, मुंह बंद रखो, बहुत बोलती हो, फिर उसका स्कूल में गए, टीचर ने भी यही बोला मुंह बंद रखो, थप्पड़ पड़ेंगे, तो सारी उम्र तो मुंह ही बंद रखा, इसलिए तो आज मेरे सामने खड़े हो. अगर मुंह बंद नहीं रखा होता तो इस वक्त you all would have been already serving in the Indian Army or Navy or the Air Force. So speak something. Okay, Pooja, your question.
Sir, my father is a doctor, and so what I wanted to ask is, what might the interviewing officer ask about the coronavirus? What extent he might ask? Because now that coronavirus, the disease is not yet researched fully, and he's not into since he's under senior citizen category, he's not on COVID duty. So what might be the question?
Okay. Now Pooja's question is, my father is a doctor, so I'm likely I'll be asked about COVID. Okay, COVID can be asked from anybody, irrespective whether your father, mother is a doctor or not. Let that be very clear. But now I keep telling you again and again and again, when he asks you a question, the aim is not to know your knowledge. The aim is not to know whether you know rocket science or not. He might ask you a question about rocket, about corona, about let's say something mechanical, something train, Hawai Jahaz. The aim of that question is just to find out how do you react to that question, your reaction. A reaction could be, sir, I have never been exposed to this thing, so I really have no idea what you're asking. And maybe now that you asked me, so I'll try and find out and maybe enrich myself. So that is the first answer. Okay. But the best is that there should not be a situation when you have to give this answer. This answer is to be given in the extreme difficult situation, when you are totally cornered, you have no clue whatsoever. Because if you have no clue about a thing, that also goes against you. Okay. So you must speak something. So even if your father is a doctor, even if he's in a COVID duty, you can always tell him, sir, my dad is a doctor. He looks after COVID patients in the hospital, but then he doesn't have time to discuss with us what COVID is. All that he tells us is wash your hands every day, wash your hands 20 times, make sure you don't touch your eyes, don't touch your nose with your hands. When you go out, maintain social distancing. This is known to everybody. Or is it not known to you all? Everybody knows it. Sir, my dad doesn't discuss with me. He may be the best heart surgeon in the world. But sir, he doesn't tell me that there are four corners in the heart. There are arteries, there are veins, out of the inside, there are valves. Sir, my dad ne kuch nahi bataya. Because he doesn't have time to discuss with all this with us. And whatever time he spends with us, we talk other things other than the profession. Because that is good for his mind. So he loves me, he talks to me, he asks me about how I'm doing in school, what did I do with my friends, rather than we asking him, what did you do on your operation theater? How was that patient? We don't ask him that. Okay? So, moment you have told him that, he'll understand. The aim is to find out whether you're interacting with him in a confident and natural manner or not. Is that okay? Everybody understood?
Sir, another one. So with regard to the what don't you like about your parents if they ask? Can I answer like this? Since I and my sister have moved out for studies, so and my parents are in health sector both, and since then they have kept themselves so busy that they don't look after their health. So I think they should look after their health. Is this a correct approach for this answer?
Okay, sir, I'm worried about the health because they work almost 18 hours a day. I, being a daughter, I feel concerned. Okay, sometimes they don't have food in time. They're looking after patients. So मैं कहती हूँ अपना भी ध्यान रखो. Good answer. Good answer. And secondly, you can also tell them, sir, whenever I don't do my homework properly or make mistake, मार भी पड़ती है. तो तब थोड़ा सा गुस्सा भी आता है. But then I know वो जो गुस्सा करते हैं, जो मार पड़ती है, that is for my good. और मेरे भले के लिए मार पड़ी मेरे को. तो मुझे उस वक्त तो बुरा लगता है, बट बाद में आई रियलाइज कि नहीं, वो ठीक करा था. so that I don't repeat the mistake again.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all of you.
Yes, sir.
This is for everybody. If you ask, I told you, your parents, teachers, brothers, sisters, siblings, and your friends, non-negotiable. तो इनको अगर बुरा नहीं कहना और ये भी नहीं कहना नहीं सर वो बहुत बढ़िया है, धर्मराज जैसे युधिष्ठिर तो बस मेरे ही घर में है, वो भी गलत है सर, मार पड़ती है, डांट भी पड़ती है, तो उस वक्त गुस्सा भी आता है, जब डांट पिट रही होती है बुरा भी लगता है, बट देन एट द सेम टाइम यू रियलाइज कि दैट इज फॉर माय गुड, मुझे वो डांट पिटी है क्योंकि मैंने कोई गलती करी है, तो उसको मैं बाद में सोच के ठीक करता हूँ या करती हूँ, एंड दैट इज फॉर माय गुड. सेम थिंग फॉर टीचर्स, सेम थिंग फॉर योर टीचर्स, सेम थिंग योर ब्रदर योर सिस्टर्स, कि सर वो कोई बात छोटा भाई बहन है कर दिया तो कोई बात नहीं, आई एम एल्डर टू देम, माफ कर दो उनको, आई शुड बी बिकॉज आफ्टर ऑल दे माय सिबलिंग्स, बड़े हैं सर, गुस्सा चढ़ा था मुझे मार दिया, बट आई लव माय एल्डर ब्रदर, आई लव माय एल्डर सिस्टर्स, डांट दिया एक बार कोई बात नहीं सर, आई कैन इग्नोर इट, बट दे रिमेन नॉन नेगोशिएबल. उनको ये नहीं बोलना है हाँ सर मौका मिलने मैं मारूंगा उनको, आई विल डू दिस टू देम, नो यू विल नॉट डू दैट. Even if you want to do it, at least in front of the SSB interviewing officer, you will not do it. Okay? Okay, Pooja, understood?
Yes. Yes.
Anybody else? ये जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, this is very important because this particular thing will straight away throw you out of the SSB. You will be straight away rejected. तो किसी और का doubt है before I go to Devinder for his doubt? Anybody else on this question?
Yes, sir, I have a question.
Okay, Gaurav first. Okay.
Sir, the NLP delete associate generate, can you please tell that what is that?
I will tell you, that is very important thing, वो अलग से बताऊंगा. अभी पूजा ने क्वेश्चन पूछा है and the answer I have given you. If you have any reaction on that, come out of that. उसके ऊपर parents, teachers, siblings and friends, इनके बारे में कुछ अगर कोई डाउट है तो बोलो.
Hello sir.
या रितिका वशिष्ठ बोलो.
Yes sir, good evening sir. Sir, so I have a doubt, if asked about
Ritika, your video first, please.
Yes sir, something is wrong with my webcam, so by tomorrow I'll get it rectified.
Okay. Go ahead.
Sir, if asked by shortcomings of parents, and what if similarly, as you have already mentioned, that if you say that they are short-tempered, supposing if I say my father is short-tempered, and if I say about it that once or a while I have been, I have got slapped by him for the purpose of education, या for any matter marks कम आ गए या कुछ हुआ, तो सर वो negative देखा जाएगा कि वो पॉजिटिव देखा जाएगा, although I know कि वो मेरे भलाई के लिए है.
अगर आपने उसको बोला माय फादर इज अ शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड, तो वो नेगेटिव, आपने शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड नहीं बोलना है. बट एट द सेम टाइम इफ यू टेल द इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर कि सर मेरे डैड ने मुझे कभी डांटा ही नहीं, या मेरी मॉम ने कभी मुझे डांटा ही नहीं, या मेरे टीचर ने कभी मुझे स्कोल्ड किया ही नहीं, दैट इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. if the interviewing officer asks you, sir, yes, scolding होती है, डांट भी पिटती है, मार भी पड़ती है, but then I am very clear in my mind, whether it is my father, my mother, my teacher, they are doing it this to me because it's for my good. मेरी कोई गलती थी, उसको करेक्ट करने के लिए वो मेरे साथ कर रहे हैं ऐसा, तो उस वक्त मुझे गुस्सा भी आता है सर. आफ्टर ऑल यू आर नॉट रामचंद्र सर, जब मुझे मार पड़ती है मुझे गुस्सा भी आता है कि why is my dad scolding me, why is my mom scolding me, बट सर फिर मुझे बाद में समझ आ जाती है कि वो मेरे ही भले के लिए कर रहे हैं, तो इसलिए आई डोंट से एनीथिंग. मैं हिंदी में बोल रहा हूँ ताकि सब कुछ समझ में आ जाए. इसको अंग्रेजी में बोलना है आपने उसके सामने, और वर्स का वर्स हिंदी में बोल देना. बोला सर मेरे ही भले के लिए बोल रहे हैं ना, इसलिए मैं उनको उनके आई डोंट हैव अ ग्रज इन माय हार्ट अगेंस्ट देम. ओके, मैं उनको या अपने भाई बहनों को या टीचर्स को या मम्मी डैडी को माफ कर देता हूँ या कर देती हूँ. रितिका, अंडरस्टूड?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Don't say my father is short-tempered. Sir, he loses his temper because I have done some शैतानी. मैंने कोई शरारत की है या मैंने कोई गलती की है या मेरे नंबर नहीं आया है, तो उनको गुस्सा आता है, डांट भी पिटती है. बट वो बाद में मुझे जब डांट पिटती है मुझे गुस्सा भी आता है. आई फील बैड ऑल्सो. नॉट दैट you are रामचंद्र, now that पहले your dad was a रामचंद्र, now you are a रामचंद्र. वो नहीं सर, मुझे भी गुस्सा आता है, but then later on I realize कि ये it was for my good. वो अगर वो मेरे लिए कुछ कर रहे हैं तो वो आई एम देयर चाइल्ड, आई एम देयर स्टूडेंट, तो जो कुछ कर रहे हैं वो मेरे भले के लिए कर रहे हैं, तो इसलिए बाद में मुझे समझ में आ जाती है कि whatever has happened it is for my good, so I should not repeat what has happened. तो फिर वो बोलेगा दैट मींस एक बार अगर आपको डांट पिटी तो गलती आप दोबारा कभी नहीं करोगे. दैट विल बी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. नहीं सर, कभी कभी गलती रिपीट हो जाती है, बट आई ट्राई माई सेल्फ नॉट टू रिपीट. ये नहीं बोलना सर एक बार डांट पिटी थी तो दोबारा मैंने वो गलती कभी नहीं करी. बच्चे गलतियां करते हैं, बार बार करते हैं, ऐसा गलती हो जाती है, बट देन नाउ आई रियलाइज कि आई शुड नॉट डू इट. बट कभी कभी इनएडवर्टेंटली चाहे ना चाहे हो जाती है, तो डजंट मैटर. हम उसको फिर हम अपने दिल में कुछ नहीं रखते. आई स्टिल लव देम, आई स्टिल रिस्पेक्ट देम. दैट शुड बी योर लास्ट सेंटेंस. आई स्टिल लव देम, आई स्टिल रिस्पेक्ट देम. क्लियर सबको?
Sir, one question I want to ask, sir.
नहीं, connected to this.
Okay. Somewhat connected to this.
Okay.
So when in camps, I was asked by my mentors that was the food good in your camp. When I used to say yes, they used to tell me that no, the previous candidate told us that the food was not good. You're lying. So how can I come up from that situation?
Sir, answer is, sir, I do not know about previous candidate, but whatever I feel, the food is fairly good. SSB के अंदर food, your accommodation, your bed, your tea, your transportation, say everything is good. Nobody likes to be told that he is not done a job. Sir, we are not come here to enjoy a 5-star life. He says, okay, previous candidate said food is not good. Sir, I do not know, but we are not expecting us to be in a 5-star hotel, that we should be served exquisite dishes. Whatever food we eat at home, I'm getting it here. I'm very happy. Is that clear to everybody?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good, Gaurav, that you brought out this point. This is a very important point. The moment he said, no, your previous candidate said अच्छा नहीं था. हाँ sir, वो दाल में पानी था sir, वो ठंडी थी sir, उसमें मिर्ची ज़्यादा थी sir. तो बेकार sir, उसको खिलानी नहीं आती. उसने तो मेरे को प्लेट ही ठीक से नहीं दी. You will tell 20 things, and then second thing is, sir, I will tell you the ways to improve. है ना? You think, sir, I will tell you the ways to improve. You think that you trying to give suggestions. Give it somewhere else, not here, not in SSB. Okay.
This question is also specifically asked, sir. What improvements you want to tell to improve?
You tell him, sir, everything is first class. There are not very many improvements required. तो एक आधी चीज सर हो सकता है सर. Why don't you in the evening when we all free, sir, we all want to go out to do sightseeing. Why don't you organize some kind of a what do you call structured sightseeing for us? आपने suggestion भी दे दी और आपने उनको criticize भी नहीं किया. मैंने आपको बोला था ना, you have to go and visit the sites in the city. He'll ask you this question. Okay, what is so special about Allahabad? What are the tourist places? You must know them. And you must tell them, sir, यहाँ तो मैं देख चुका हूँ, यहाँ मैं कल देखने जा रहा हूँ अपने fellow candidates के साथ. So if he says what improvement, tell him, instead of we going on our own, if you can have a structured way, maybe arrange a bus or something for us, so we all can go together, see the place and come back. Clear है सब कुछ? ये बड़े important question है. Yeah, who wants to add?
Vishwesh, sir.
Okay. Vishwesh, yeah, Vishwesh.
First point is Pele is alive, sir. That was the fake news in 2019 that he's dead. And second is, sir, SSB is not allowing to go outside the premises. The laundry facility is not available for the candidates, and you have to report directly to the SSB center. These are the new guidelines for the COVID-19 pandemic, sir.
Perfect. Write them down and give it to everybody on the net so that everybody should know.
Sir, one of the question from my side, sir.
Yeah, now listen, Vishwesh. Now whatever you told us, mute your things, please. Mute your mics, all of you.
Sir, I muted everybody. You can unmute them.
Yeah. I've done that. So Vishwesh, give it to everybody. First of all, everybody should know. Okay. Now that you cannot go out, but you still should know what are the places. And then when you giving suggestions, you can tell them, sir, now that it is COVID situation, let's say when it improves, we would like to go out and visit places. And you may have some kind of a structured program of some buses or some light transport so we all can be guided to those places so that we can see them. Okay, नहीं तुम खुद देख के आ जाओ. Sir, हम खुद तो जा ही रहे हैं, but it will be better if you organize it for us, sir. I mean, that is all you can improve, sir. बाकी तो सब बढ़िया है, सब excellent है, all arrangements are first class. वैसे भी आर्मी वालों के arrangements खराब होते नहीं. Even if those barracks you are staying there, वो basically झुगी झोंपड़ी होती है, पर भी उसको रहने लायक बना दिया ना. And that is how you will be living many times in the service also. So whichever situation you are happy. That is what you have to convey. And you also told them that, look, I want to move out, I want to socialize, and that is your factor 2 and factor 3. And yes, sir, आज नहीं हो सकता because COVID is there, but probably if that was not there, or when it improves, this is what should happen. That could be a suggestion. But don't give a suggestion कि सर 5-star chef होना चाहिए. सर मेरे को 3 ton में गाड़ी से लेके आए थे. I should have a AC car for me. And sir, when I'm sitting in my room, it should be all air conditioned, sir. There should be 10 people standing outside. Somebody to give me water. One is a dhobi for me or something. And all these things, don't take it as a joke. There's a guy who is an army officer's son who said all this. मेरे उसके घर में 4 सहायक थे, तो कहता सर यहाँ भी होने चाहिए. In my SSB, my coursemate, he's the army commander here in Jaipur. He studied in a school called Mayo College. उसको पगड़ी बांधनी नहीं आती थी. वो घर से एक बास्केट में 5 पगड़ियां बनवा के लाया था. ऊपर रख के आगे चल पड़ता था. So people do all those kind of things. Understood? So you should be that thorough with your arrangements and thorough with your tongue, thorough with your mind. So that is what you expected. Okay, we got 6 minutes left. Now listen to Devinder. What is your next question?
Hello, sir.
Devinder, yeah.
Sir,
Devinder.
Sir,
Devinder's waiting. After Devinder, Arnav. Okay.
sir, during Kush's interview, if the interview is going well, he will somehow know that Kush has been coached or has been mentored by a person from army, such as like you. What kind of impact will this create on the IO or on the 2 other assessors that the candidate I am assessing has been coached?
Okay. Don't tell lies. Okay. Tell him, sir. He'll say, have you taken coaching? You can tell, sir, yes, sir. I have not taken coaching in an institute, but I had known somebody, Brigadier so-and-so. Sir, he sat with me. He gave me some suggestions. It's okay. Did he teach you? Sir, he told me to be very free, be very frank, be very natural. And he did not tell me answers to any question. He only told me how should I behave, how should I approach. And I might ask you, what did he tell you? And tell the truth. What I'm telling you today, I'm telling you, be natural, be truthful, and be frank. And same sentence bol do uske samne. ठीक है?
Yes, so one more question.
Has everybody understood all this? Put your hands up in participant box. 30 of you are there. Good. उनको बोलना है कि सर हमें उन्होंने बोला है कि बिल्कुल नेचुरल रहो, अपनी नेचुरल क्वालिटीज दिखाओ, झूठ नहीं बोलना है और सब कुछ सच बोलना है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल मेक थ्रू. तो he'll say, are you sure? सच बोलने से तुम पास हो जाएगा. हाँ सर, आई एम वेरी श्योर, बट मैं तो तेरे को सिलेक्ट कर नहीं रहा. He'll say, you are not a material. नहीं सर, I am very sure I'll pass. But stick to your this thing. That is it. Okay? Yeah, Devinder, next question.
Sir, during Kush's interview, there was a situation. Sir, there's a distortion, sir.
Yes, this is your mic only distortion. The distortion is your mic. Rest everybody is good. Yeah, KV, mute your mic, KV. Yeah.
Okay. So during Kush's interview, there was a situation in which you were knowing all the places where he has visited, but Kush didn't know the answer. I just lost my electricity connections.
Okay, doesn't matter.
So Kush answered all those questions. He knew the answers, but due to your knowledge, those answers were not matching, or you were having a dispute about the places where they were skiing. So if there is a situation like that,
go ahead. Okay, the first of
like
all,
you asked when Pele is dead, if Pele is dead.
Okay. I got only 3 minutes left. I'll answer. I know what you're asking. That situation, first of all, the first lesson is do not try to speak extra. I've said so many times. Because he said skiing, I caught him. Okay. Now I may be wrong. Though Gaurav said कि सर skiing होती है Solong Valley में. To my information, Solong Valley में skiing नहीं होती. हो सकता है होती हो. Maybe I don't know. But then, as an interviewing officer, I will try to show off. Look, I am right. तो उसमें 2 चीजें हैं. एक बार बोलो ही कम. Do not let the situation come. If you have done skiing, then no sir, मैंने Solong Valley में skiing करी है. Sir, मैंने खुद करी. Okay. Be very. एक बारी जो बोल दिया, you have to defend. KV, keep your mic off. KV, keep your mic off. So defend yourself. ये नहीं कि interviewing officer is differing with you, so you change your view to just suit his. Tell him, sir, I feel this way, but then you can have a difference of opinion, sir. आपका भी opinion ठीक है, sir, but मेरा view ये है. Don't think if you are disagreeing with him, you will fail. No. वो आपको check कर रहा है. He will try to give you soaps. कि यार मेरी बात मान जा, मैं तेरे को पास कर दूंगा. नहीं, आपने सर आप कुछ भी कर. वो याद है ना 3 Idiots का डायलॉग, इतनी हड्डियां तोड़वा के अब समझ में आया है, आप अपना नौकरी रख लो, मैं अपना एटीट्यूड रख लेता हूँ. रिमेंबर दैट 3 Idiots? तो यू हैव टू डू द सेम, बट इन अ वेरी वेरी सटल मैनर. हीरो बन के नहीं करना है, बिकॉज यू एक्चुअली नॉट सलमान खान और आमिर खान. तो डोंट डू दैट, और शर्मन जोशी, वो नहीं करना. बट धीरे से बोलना, सर मैं जो सोच रहा हूँ ठीक है, बट मे बी आई मे बी रॉन्ग, बट योर व्यू मे बी डिफरेंट. बट आई फील आई व्हेन आई वेंट टू मनाली, सर मैंने तो स्कीइंग करी थी. बस इतना ही बोलना, और बड़ा पैसिव तरीके से बोलना. Riya, are you understanding all this? So that is the answer to your question. Yeah, okay, last question. 2 minutes left.
Sir, I have a question. Sir, last question is, sir, when the interview is over, the IO asks if you want to ask any question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, my question is it
no, let you mute yourself. Let Devinder ask. Well, your mic is bad. Devinder ask जल्दी करो, 1 minute बाकी है.
At the end of the interview, the IO asks if you want to ask any question to the candidate. So I want to know that, what kind of questions should not be asked, rather than what kind of questions should be asked.
No. If you ask, okay, you ask me a question. एक standard सा question मैं बता रहा हूँ. Sir, please tell me when I joined the Navy, Air Force and the Army, जो भी आपका aim है. Sir, when I joined the service, how should I get the maximum? How should I contribute maximum to the organization? Sir, I've joined the army. I want to join the armored corps, टैंकों में, या I want to be a paratrooper. मुझे ये बताओ sir, since you have served in the army, how should I contribute maximum to that organization? What are the things I should keep in my mind to do the best for the organization? Not for me, for the best of the organization. Clear? Now rest of you questions I'll ask, we'll carry forward tomorrow. अर्नब का, केवी का, ये क्वेश्चन हम कल करेंगे. कल इंटरव्यू किसका है? इंटरव्यू सौरभ का है. हाँ, सौरभ का है सर. अर्नब, सौरभ.
I have to read. I have not first written.
Okay, Saurabh, prepare well. All these questions what we discussed today should not be there. This point should not be the interview. Is that okay?
Sir,
all of you feeling good?
Time left, sir.
Happy? No time left. Are you all happy?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all of you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.